Hey there guys and gals. Okay, so I've just cleaned this sink and there are some hard water stains that are left over that I'm just not able to get out no matter how much I scrub with baking soda or water or vinegar. So I have discovered Norwex's Descaler. So I just want to show you actually what I do is I just squirt the tiniest little bit on the cloth, like there we go. Tiny little bit, and I want to show you. So here's a spot that doesn't have the descaler on it. Okay, rub, 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 doesn't come off. Take the descaler and it polishes it right up, and then you have to clean after it because it leaves streaky marks, but it just takes all of those hard water stains and literally just deletes them. It's awesome. So it's super streaky at the moment. I'm going to polish it up and then I'll show you a before and after of the finished result. But this descaler is amazing, and if you've got really hard on water stains, you just leave it for 10 minutes and then it really literally wipes off. So I'll give you a link where you can hook yourself up with your own if you like. But I'm just wowed by it every time I use it on Chrome. So I just thought I'd share. All right, have a good day.